The doves are busy rebuilding their nest this morning. They were checking it out yesterday. They've been busy all morning. She's been working on it, fixing it all up. The babies disappeared about a week and a half ago. And they decided to reuse the nest. They liked the location. She's been busy working on the nest, and Daddy's delivering supplies. Here he comes with more supplies. Oh, he's got a big piece of grass this time. And then he walks all over her. He delivers it to her mouth, walks all over her. They're fun to watch. And where's she going to put that one? She's working on it. She's building this nest up quite a bit. Oh, there's Daddy with more supplies.
Nope.
Delivers it to her beak. And then walks all over her. Never realized their legs were so red. They've been at it for a couple hours now. New babies in a couple weeks.